Hey, what's up my friends? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I'm talking about the Harmony 1. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price changes occurring in Harmony in this video? I will show you friends, but before starting this interesting video I request everyone to please subscribe now. Every take channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. What's the current price? What's the latest update of Harmony? Let's see my friends, let's see. First of all, we look the price statistic of the Harmony. What is the current price? What is the lowest price? What is the highest price of the Harmony? Let's see my friends. You can see here if you look the latest price, the currently live price of Harmony in the market, so 0.1036 USD dollar friends. That is the currently latest price of the Harmony. And if you look the opening price of the Harmony in the market, so 0.1165 USD dollar friends. That is the opening price of the Harmony. Oh my goodness, you can see here that is the opening price, and now the current price is changed. So I mean that it's a fast time after Harmony, and the price of the Harmony is going down friends, but I hope that they will again move upward. The lowest price is 0.0937 USD dollar friends. That is the lowest price in the last 24 hours friends, and the highest price is 0.1178 USD dollar friends. That is the highest price of the Harmony in the last 24 hours friends. My friends, if you look the price changes occurs in the last 24 hours. So now negative 0.01% the price of the Harmony is fast down, but I believe that the price of the Harmony will be fast down more in the coming soon days, because as you know it is the end of month and there is a lot of chances to the fast down friends. You can see here the price chart. Now this time they gradually start moving upward, but I believe that fast down okay in the Harmony coin. After some passage of time, the price of the Harmony very badly fast down, because it is the end of month and every cryptocurrency is fast down in the end of month. So please, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. My friends, don't decide to sell. What do you think? Is it a perfect time to buy, sell or hold or not? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.